In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in HubSpot CRM. Now, HubSpot is a powerful tool that helps businesses manage customer relationships, and occasionally, important records might be deleted by accident. Don't worry, I'm here to show you the simple steps to get those records back. To start, head over to your HubSpot account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in now. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the CRM, which is the nerve center for managing your customer interactions and data. To find it, look for the CRM option in the main menu. Clicking on CRM will then lead you to a variety of features and tools that HubSpot offers for managing contacts, companies, deals, and more. Now that you're in the CRM, the next step is to click on the Contacts option. This is where all your interactions with clients, leads, and customers are stored. Clicking here will take you to the Contacts page, where you'll have a comprehensive view of all the contacts in your CRM database. Once you're on the Contacts page, direct your attention to the navigation bar. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a symbol that looks like 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is what you'll want to click on next. These 3 dots indicate additional options are available for managing your contacts. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu revealing various actions you can take. Among these options, look for the one labeled Restore Records. This is the feature we've been aiming to find, as it's specifically designed to help you recover any contacts or records that have been accidentally deleted. Upon clicking Restore Records, you will be taken to a page that displays a list of records eligible for restoration. These are records that were recently deleted and still within the time frame allowed for recovery by HubSpot's settings. Review the list carefully to find the records you wish to recover. Once you've found the records you need, go ahead and select them. Generally, you can select multiple records if you need to restore more than one. After making your selections, look for a confirmation button to complete the restoration process. Depending on your user interface configuration, this button might say Restore, Confirm Restore, or something similar. Click it, and just like that, your deleted records will be restored to their original location within your HubSpot CRM. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily recover deleted records in HubSpot CRM, ensuring that your data remains accurate and comprehensive. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials and guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.